Traders, Anthony here. Okay, back with the Euro-Yen chart. Now, we were talking about this yesterday. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, I highly recommend you do. You'll be able to get up to speed on what we were talking about. In a nutshell, what we were discussing in the video was we have this potential trend reversal setting up here. Not confirmed yet, but you know, I like what I'm seeing, especially with this strong bullish candle. And then we've got the pullback down. Essentially what's happening here is we have a price gap here, an imbalance, and the market's going to look to trade back down through this liquidity void, down to the point of origin, thereabouts, and it's going to look for balance. Okay, so trading back down into liquidity here. If you watched the video yesterday, we were talking about waiting for the setup and then taking the opportunity. So we come up with a plan. We've got the concept. We know what we want to do. We see this. We want to essentially look for an opportunity to buy on a pullback here and, you know, get in early on a trend reversal. So that's the concept with what we're seeing in the chart here. So I'm going to take you over to the other charts now. We're going to have a look at, well, we have the 4 hour. Now I am using my indicators, and I'll say this, whether you use indicators or you don't, it doesn't matter. The video is relevant. The thing that we talked about in yesterday's video was looking for the opportunity when we start to see a range developing. We've got this price gap, market rotates, finds support, and we can see through our white candles here that we're forming some kind of a balance area in here. So now we're waiting for a green breakout. If we go down to a lower time frame, I'll just pull this up on the 30-minute. We'll go there, have a look at that. How this works is we see the opportunity and then we wait for the market to more or less invite us in. Right, this is not a time to buy yet. Can this roll over here and travel south? Absolutely. We don't know where this is going to go. You know, we've got a bit of a concept from doing some technical analysis, and you know, we believe that we're going to get some upside here. But until we actually see evidence, we don't touch this. Wait for the opportunity. What I'm looking for is, however this plays out, and this is what I was talking about in my video yesterday, we then wait for a breakout of the range, retest, fail, and then we have the opportunity. And yes, it can go that way as well. So I want to know when the opportunity actually presents itself, and here it is here. So I'll just open this up and show you how our indicators can give you that. So what I'm waiting for here is this to happen. Two green up triangles in succession, one after the other. The first green triangle, if we continue up, will be a break of most likely this range. See back here how we had this breakout, green, and we broke into the cloud here. So you can see how price is trading through this cloud on either side here. So what we're waiting for is two of these in succession. So down here we had one. We were waiting for the second one, but we didn't get it. We got a red break. All right, so there's no trade set up yet. Then we got this guy followed by this, and this is our cue. So this is our breakout of this range. This gives us that extra confirmation. So this is what we're waiting for here. We're waiting for two of these green triangles in succession. One will be the first break into, you'll close this cloud, and then the second one, if it goes in our favor, is going to be the breakout of the cloud that we need. And that's our cue then to get in early on with the momentum. Have a look at the 4 hour here, with the momentum, okay, and a potential trend reversal. Not confirmed yet. Like, I mean, for me, for this to confirm it's a trend reversal, I'd need to see a break of this. And back here we've got this brown line here. That's a weekly pivot. This white one is a monthly level. All right, so a break of this, a break and retest of this level here and this high, for me confirms the trend reversal. Let's see how we go with this. In fact, you know, on the 4 hour we've got a break into the cloud here. So all we need to wait for is the break out of the cloud, potentially shaping up, but let's wait and see. So we're going to get these signals on all time frames. So what's going to happen is going to be the lower time frame is going to fire first. All right, it'll be the 15-minute chart. So we might get two up arrows on the 15. Wait for the confirmation on the 30. You see the 2 on the 15, that's great. It's, I mean, you could get in if you wanted to. It's more aggressive. Wait till you see the 2 on the 30. That's a bit more conservative, but yeah, I mean, they're good signals. Look at these 2 signals up here, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, we've got that. Like, so we've got the 15-minute. We had these guys fire on the 15. That's going to get us in a bit earlier, and then we're going to see this on the 30. Note over here on the 30, the 15-minute signal fires in here. So, I mean, you could jump in there if you want to, or you can wait for this guy on the 30. Bit more conservative, but more confirmation that the move is setting up. And by the way, you can use this technique scalping. You could be trading a 3-minute chart up here and doing the same thing with maybe a 5, a 15, and a 1 hour if you wanted to. This technique works on any time frame. So I'm just kind of basing my idea off the 4 hour. Actually, it's a daily. Then we got a 4 hour, we're working down our time frames here. But anyway, back to the 30 minutes. So I mean, if you're looking to short this, well, that's your cue there. And then we're always looking for, we got the breakout of the range. That's what it's telling us. And then we've got this breakout down here. That we've broken this level here. And then we wait for the pullback. Pullback comes into, look at this. This is a weekly level, a key weekly level. So it pulls back into liquidity, resting at this weekly level here, and then it rolls over. This is what we're waiting for an opportunity here, potentially to buy. If this trades to the downside, I won't be interested in shorting it at this point. So let's just see how it plays out, and I'll follow up with another video. With that, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell, check out the links below the video. There's access to my Telegram channel, access the indicators, everything's in the description. So with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.